Hi, how is everybody doing? I am here. My name is Sandra from Sandra Crafty Mom, and I am here to share this month's Ipsy bag with you. Now, I just kind of peeked at it the other day and kind of looked at some of the things that I've got, but the first thing I really enjoyed when I peeked in was this bag. It is so adorable. I love that the Ipsy comes in these cute little bags. Now, over time, I've got quite a collection of these, so I have been giving some of them away to some family members, but I hope to be giving some away to some friends as well, some of my pen friends here in the near future. Possibly, maybe be kind of nice to put a letter in them because they'd be nice and flat, and maybe I could get it into an envelope or a small package. So now the first thing that came in here is this is Buddy Butter. Oh, can't pronounce it. Body Butter. Let's try that again there. Cream. So Body Butter Cream. And it says it's triple citrus blend. So let's see. Most of these lotions that I get through Ipsy have an awesome scent to them. This is probably sealed up here. Let's see. Yep, it is. And there we go. I feel like I'm about to sneeze. Let's see here. And let's see how this smells. Oh, that's a real tight seal. And let's put some over here. Oh, it's nice and thick. And let's see. Oh, it is. It's nice and thick and it feels real good. Not very oily. It just feels nice and slick. Oh my goodness, I love that nice citrusy smell. I wish we had smell-o-vision here on YouTube and you all could smell the citrusy, buttery, kind of a sweet, lightly sweet smell. And it feels really good on my skin. I love that. I'm going to have to put that on my legs, the front of my legs, get really dry during the summer. Let's see. The next thing is, this is an eyeliner. It says waterproof lash enhancing precision brush carbon black. Oh, maybe it's not an eyeliner. This might actually be mascara. Oops, there we go. Oh, wow. Okay, it's a brush and it is an eyeliner. Got some right there on my hand. Got some eyeliner on my hand. Oh, it has like a little thing where you can shake it. And this says, oh, it's lash enhancing waterproof precision brush. So I think this is an eyeliner from what I'm looking at here. And it's waterproof, so that way you don't end up with raccoon eyes. I have a problem with using these little scoops. Let's see if I can get it to these little skinny brushes because they really tickle my eye rim. And oh my goodness, it just drives me bonkers. And look, it has like a little, or it does, it goes in. And that's why it was so hard to pull out because it kind of pops out and has a little spring action there. So that's black waterproof eyeliner. And then this next product is, what is this? It says it's a lip gloss. It's a gel gloss. And it's a vegan lip gel. Okay, let's see what this is like. Oh, pretty. Oh, I like this. Let's see here. This is so cool. Let me see. Open it up. Does it have a little seal on it? No. Let's try and open it upside up like this. It's got a pretty color. Oh, I am such a ninny. You twist it off. I was trying to pull it off. Oh. Oh, this is good. I love the way this smells. And if you can hear my husband in the background, he's kind of griping at my younger son a little bit. I think he was either saying or doing something that he shouldn't be doing. So he is getting a stern talking. Okay, and let's see what else we have in here. So we have 3 products so far, and this is a champagne reef. And what is this? I can never read these little handwritings. Intense eyeshadow. So let's see what this eyeshadow looks like. Oh, I can never get these to open without ripping them. Okay. These little boxes are so stinking adorable. Oh, it's not coming out that way unless I push it out the other end. There it goes. Oh, it's got like a little styrofoam that kind of holds it in place so it just doesn't fall off. Oh, how adorable is that? Look how cute that is. It's so tiny. And it's so cute. Let's see here. How do we open it? Oh, pretty. It's not exactly a color that I would wear on a regular basis. If I tend to wear any eyeshadow, it's normally not shiny and gold like this, but I may give it a try. It looks real pretty. I love the shimmer. I love the little case. Beautiful. I like the little box. It's so pretty too. And let's see what the last item is. It looks like it's wrapped up in, and then they have, of course, the little paper that says now in season, fresh spring beauty. So that's what these are, just little items for spring. And look at this. If I would have read this, I would have known that that black eyeliner is a black magic liquid eyeliner travel size. So I would have known that. And I read this. I don't know if they actually had something like this with Ipsy before, where they actually explain what every product is like. I don't know if I've seen these. They do have little cards, but never an individual description of the products. And let's see what is in this plastic bag, y'all. Okay. All right. Cute little, just to keep it extra protected so it doesn't break. And this is a highlighter. Now this is kind of cool. I love that pattern that it has on there. I have to see if I can I have to learn how to use these things more. I really do not know how to use these on a regular basis. And some of the items I don't know how to use, I usually gift them to my nieces, and my sister hasn't gotten any of them, to be honest with you, but my nieces do, because they're nice and young and they use all these pretty things. And then, of course, last but not least, the beautiful bag. And this is all comes to the mail, through the mail, and for $10 a month, and I'm not sure if that includes shipping or not, but I think it includes shipping. I've been getting them for such a while that I've kind of forgotten what if it includes shipping or not. But these little bags are so adorable, and they will last you. And what I tend to do is I tend to use them. Sometimes I use them as pencil pouches or to carry my pens in. And I cannot get it all back in here. The way they had it. If I take the packaging off things, and everything will fit with room and then some. So there we go. That is Ipsy, my Ipsy for the March, my goodness, for the month of April. And I will be back next month to share the next bag. And there's always something new and exciting, and there's always, I almost love other products all the time, except every once in a while there'll be 1 or 2 products that maybe do not fall for my taste, or maybe I might not want to use because I have enough of it already. So those I share. But these I really like, and there's a couple of them here that I might share. Haven't decided yet, but all in all, is a great value for me. So that is all for today, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.